Hi, this is Itunova Piano Pastor. This is part 2 of how to use the inversion chord to play a progression line. So I'm playing on C sharp. Let me pull out the notes for you. C sharp, B, E flat, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C. So on my part 1 video, I did something like this. That is what I'm doing. I'm only doing inversion chord. So this is how I started. So I start playing on regular method of triad chord, C sharp. Then I use second inversion. This one will come to this place. So my right hand I will play another inversion, second inversion, and third inversion. So my left hand will just only follow. So my left hand will play C, F, G, F, G. So you use this method to play the progression line and play. The progression line is like that is 1, 5, 6, 1. That is the progression line that I can play. Do this how you do. Okay, I even play is like you get to that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and to C again. From that place you take big down C, G, F. Don't forget inversion chord, just only inversion chord. So this one I play on regular inversion chord here, and my left hand play on G sharp. So I play G sharp inversion chord. So this one will move like G sharp, C, E flat, G, back to E flat, C. You play something like this, so something like that. Then on my chord 6, I'm playing a regular inversion chord. So this is minor chord, not major chord this time around. So on this time, I play on my left hand, I play B flat. So on my right hand, I play C sharp, F, and B flat. So B flat. So the left hand will be moving like B flat, C sharp, F, B flat, descend, F, C sharp, B flat. So on my chord 4, which is that is F sharp. So I play regular inversion again. My left hand will play. The movement of my left hand is F sharp, B flat, C sharp, F sharp, then descent, C sharp, B flat, F sharp. This one is inversion chord. So nice. B flat, C sharp, and F sharp. So this is how it moves. This will help you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. They are great.